Identify the RS-3 to interface on your printer. Connect the printer serial cable with the weighing machine serial cable according to the diagram. Insert the connected cable into the weighing machine. Then connect the other end to the printer. Tap Settings, Communication Settings. Select Weighing for Protocol. Tap Settings, Fault Detection. Tap the green Takeover button. You can see the serial data from the weighing machine in the pop-up window. Then tap Add Serial Port. Enter any numbers in the label field. Click Print. At this time, weigh the item on the weighing machine, and the specific weight can be seen on the inkjet printer.